Welcome back to AutoPulse. The 2026 Toyota Camry may not be the flashiest sedan on the road, but it continues to stand out for what matters most: affordability, comfort, and efficiency. For 2026, the big news is that the Camry is now hybrid only, with two powertrain options. The standard setup delivers 225 horsepower through front-wheel drive, while an available all-wheel drive version boosts output to 232 horsepower for extra confidence without sacrificing efficiency. Pricing starts at around $30,000 and tops out near $38,000, with the SE trim offering the best mix of value and sportiness thanks to its firmer suspension and added equipment. A new Nightshade edition also joins the lineup, featuring blacked-out styling, unique 19-inch wheels, and gloss black accents for a bolder look. Under the hood, the Camry pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors and a smooth CVT. Front-wheel drive models use two motors, while the AWD version adds a third to power the rear axle. On the road, the hybrid system feels responsive in city driving, and fuel economy remains a major strength. Last year's model achieved up to 53 miles per gallon city and 50 miles per gallon highway, with even all-wheel drive versions delivering over 40 miles per gallon. Inside, the Camry offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with standard cloth seats, dual-zone climate control, and rear air vents. Higher trims step it up with leather upholstery, heated seats, ambient lighting, and premium glass. Tech is also a highlight, with an 8-inch or optional 12.3-inch infotainment screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital gauge cluster, and an available 9-speaker JBL audio system. In short, the 2026 Camry Hybrid delivers efficiency, practicality, and just enough style, making it a smart choice for everyday drivers.